So I put Claude first, ChatGPT second, and then I'd probably put Perplexity next. Perplexity is a weird one, but it's a lot more factual based than the other two. So you kind of like top 10 restaurants in London. What I loved about this is the nature of the feedback starts getting me to think about what the future of AI and SEO is going to look like. Because if you see here, these are the top 10 results. It's answered the question, but it's also created the footnotes and references through to the files that it's given me up here. And it's using a weighted algorithm to work out what it should put in what order. So it's taken a few from this one. It's taken quite a few from that one. The fact that they also appeared in there has led to this blended algorithm coming back of, so it's like a search within a search. Things that are more factually based. I find that Perplexity is using ChatGPT below the surface, but it's just the way it encapsulates the results in way of giving me web searches and the answer and imagery. There's something about this that is quite intoxicating. Where I struggle is I then ask myself, what's the difference between that and just using Google? But I think this is a more advanced blended version of it. I think we're going to start seeing some interesting things coming out.